again. Okay, ndewono. Aha m bụ Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. Ụbọchị taa. When I say ụbọchị taa, I mean today. Today. Ụbọchị taa means today. So I want you all to know this. But now I have a question. I need to know how many of you tell me if you've been using the Igbo word in the house, or if you've been telling mommy, oh, mommy, daddy, please speak Igbo to me. Soram Igbo. Soram Igbo means speak Igbo to me. Tell me if you've been doing that. Who has been doing that? Nobody?
I've been doing it.
Oh my gosh. Who? Who has been doing that? Nobody. Oh my, you guys want me to start crying?
No, me, my sister.
Mba.
No, okay, Mba, good. Somebody said Mba. So who's been doing that?
Caitlin and Noma.
Who? Onya? Who
Caitlin
means
and
Onya?
Noma.
Okay, good job. It's good. Ask mommy, daddy, please speak Igbo to me. Because when they speak Igbo to you, it helps you learn. You hear the word every day, it's going to help you learn. So always tell them to speak it because you need to learn. So if you know you've not been doing it, please do so. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. All right, I guess we're going to start right now, but I'm trying to see if I can share the screen. I know some people are going to be late, but it's okay. We're not going to wait for anybody. I know some of you did the homework. Most of you did not. And if you don't do it, it's not going to help you. You need to do it. I'm not, you don't have to be perfect. I just want you to do it. When you do it, then if you did not get it, I'm going to correct you. And when I correct you, you learn from there. So I want every one of you to try your best. Try your best. And you can test me. If you don't have a phone, you can use mommy or daddy's phone and test me, hey, auntie, how do you say this in Igbo? Auntie, how do you say this in Igbo? You're not bugging me. I want you to, even if you feel you're bugging me, I want you to bug me. I need you to disturb me. Ask me questions. If I'm busy, I'm always busy, quite all right, but if I'm busy, whenever I'm done with whatever I'm doing, I'm going to get back to you. So I need you to get back to me, test me, interact with me. Please, I need you guys to do that. Feel free. Test me anytime, but not when you go to bed. Hey, put your phone off. No. Hey, Alice. Hey, Shama, how you doing? No, no, no. You go to bed. You take your phone to your mommy's room. Hey, if you're going to bed, if you know you cannot keep your hands off your phone, take it to mommy and daddy's room. Okay? If you cannot keep your hands off the phone, you need to sleep. You wake up, you do what you're supposed to do in the house. And then, if there is anything you have to do, read, do other things, you can watch TV, but not, hey, all the time on the phone or on the TV or trying to play game. You can play all those things, but you gotta limit your time, okay? I know this is summer, you have to enjoy your summer, but you gotta do other things. Do your homework, do some of the things you can do online, do your math. There are other, apps there, some online work you can do, okay? Don't waste all your time playing game, watching TV, staying on the phone 24 hours. No, there's time for everything. Okay, that's by the way. Now, I'm gonna start by asking you, anybody with any question today? Because we're going to go over the homework that I gave to you guys last week. We're going to go over, and you guys are going to tell me what you wrote. I saw some homework, I graded them, but we need to go over a lot of stuff today, okay? All right, so let me admit some people, all right. So if you have a question, go ahead and unmute yourself and then ask me a question. Feel free to do that while I'm sharing the screen here. Anybody with any question? So, onwego onye nwere ajụjụ. Question means ajụjụ. Do you have a question? Please ask me. Anything you want to know, how to say it in Igbo. Any word at all. Ask me a question. That's why we're here. You don't ask me, I'm gonna ask you. Anybody can ask me a question, please.
Ahambo Ihebunuche.
Ihebunuche, go ahead.
How do you say like guinea pig meat, not Igbo?
Guinea pig.
Meat, not Igbo.
Guinea pig what again?
Meat, not
meat.
Igbo.
Okay. Guinea meat. Meat means ano. I'm going to type it. Ano. You say your name is Ihebunuche, is it? Ihebunuche. Ihebunuche. Okay. Ihebunuche. If you want to say, okay, erigim ano, I didn't eat meat. Erigim ano, meat means ano. Ano. Oh, ano. We're gonna do spelling, but not today. So this is how you say it. Let me go ahead and type it for you. Ano means meat. Good question. I need you guys to ask me a question. Thank you, Ihebunuche. Erigim ano. Okay, so Ihebunuche say, how do you say meat? Or erigim ano means I didn't eat meat. Or if you want to say, I want to eat meat, acharam iri ano, but let's take it one after another, okay? Erigim ano, first of all, ano, we're gonna put it. Erigim ano, can you repeat it? Ihebunuche?
Erigim ano.
And ano means what? What is ano?
Anu means meat.
Meat. Good. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to punctuate it for you. You're gonna put the dot. Erigim ano, and ano means meat. Okay. Okay. So now, erigim ano. Oh, come on. I'm going to maximize it so that you will see it. Erigim ano. Okay.
Ano. Erigim ano.
Can you see the screen very well? Okay. Means I didn't eat meat. I didn't eat meat. Okay. Okay, so that's what it is. Any other person with a question? Ask me a question. Ask me a question. Come on, anybody? Jom ajuju. Jom ajuju means, okay, I'm gonna write it out. Jom. So we're going to punctuate it.
Jom ajuju.
Jom ajuju. Yes, Jom ajuju.
Ajuju.
Ajuju means question. Jom means ask. Jom means ask. Ask me, okay? Jom means ask me. Ajuju means question. Jom ajuju. You know, you can play with the language. You can just all of a sudden you can say, just play with your dad or your mom or with your sibling and say, Uchenna Jom ajuju. Mama, jump ajuju. Papa, jump ajuju. You know, that's how you get used to the words. Even though maybe you're just playing with it, but you're trying to get used to the words. And that's what I want you to say. Just play with it, joke with it. Okay, another question. Another question. Come on, guys, ask me a question. Get ready to ask questions. Jum. Ajojo. Jum. Ajojo means ask me a question. All right. So, onwego onye nwere ajụjụ. Onwego onye nwere ajụjụ. Okay, since you don't have question, now listen to me. I need you, after a class today, go home. For class next week, put down all your questions. Write it down, every one of you. I want you to jot down your questions. Make a note. Then when you come to class, you can ask your questions. And everything we're saying, you have to repeat them in Igbo. Then you get used to the words. So put down your questions. You can either send them to me or maybe to the forum. Send them to the forum. I want you guys to send your questions to the forum. Okay? I want to get everybody's questions. Ask me, how do you say this? How do you say that? All the common words that we use every day. Your parents, your siblings, they use, you know, they say to you, you say to them, you say to your friends. I want you to put them down. You want to know how to say them. You gotta ask me a question. Ask questions if you want to learn. And you guys are doing very well. I am so proud of you, especially most of you that did your homework. You gotta do your assignment. Okay, so jot your question down. Next week, we have quiz. All the head to toe, pronouns, prepositions, all of them, everything we did that I made the Quizlet, go over the Quizlet. We have quiz next week. We have questions next week. Okay, so we move on.
Guinea ball. What is for breakfast?
No. Go on and say guinea. I like that. Okay, guinea.
Guinea ball breakfast not Igbo.
What?
Breakfast not Igbo.
What face?
Breakfast not Igbo.
Let me see. Can you spell what you said again? Word.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay. All right. Breakfast. Oh, I love that. Breakfast. Breakfast is nri ụtụtụ. Nri ụtụtụ. Ụtụtụ. What is ụtụtụ? Ihe dị m n'uche.
Is that morning?
Yes. Remember when you say ụtụtụ ọma, means good morning. Nri ụtụtụ is breakfast. Good job. Nri ụtụtụ. Ihe dị m n'uche. Bịa rie nri ụtụtụ. What did I say? Ihe dị m n'uche. Bịa rie nri ụtụtụ.
You said come eat breakfast.
Come and eat breakfast. Good job. Now lunch. What is lunch? Lunch is nri. Lunch is nri ehihie. You see that? Now, can somebody tell me what is? Can somebody tell me what is nri anyase? What is it?
Is it dinner?
Yes. Nri anyase means, yeah, supper or dinner. Nri ehihie. 1 second. I think somebody is trying to log in, but I don't know. Give me 1 second. They're calling me. They don't have the code. I don't know why. 1 second, please. Let me send the codes to them. Normally when I'm in the classroom, I don't do this because they're supposed to get ready or ask me ahead of time. You know, let me see. I hope not that person is having a problem getting in. Let me see. Okay. All right. So nri, ototo, breakfast. Nri, ehihie, lunch. Nri, anyasi, dinner. Do we get it? Did everybody get it?
No.
Okay. Well, who said no? What don't you get? What didn't you get? Let me know.
How to pronounce it?
Okay. Breakfast. Nri ututu. Can you say that?
Nri utu.
Ututu.
Nri utu.
Okay. First of all, tell me your name in Igbo. How do we do introduction in this class?
I don't know.
Okay. Ahambo. You can Ahambo Chioma. Ahambo Chinyere. So you tell me your name. Or Abum Chioma or Abum Ogochuku. Nas, go ahead and say that.
Album.
Album. What's your name? What is your name?
Album Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, do you have Igbo name?
Kelechi.
Okay. Album Kelechi. Can you say that?
Album Kelechi.
Okay, Kelechi. Now I want you to say Nri Ototo.
Nri Ototo.
Gịnị bụ nri ụtụtụ?
Nri ụtụtụ.
Yeah, Kelechi, gịnị bụ nri ụtụtụ? Tell me what it is in English. What is nri ụtụtụ?
Breakfast.
Okay. Nri ehihie. Can you say that?
Nri ehihie.
Nri ehihie.
Ehihie.
And that's lunch. Okay. Nri anyasi. I want you to say that.
Nri anyasi.
Means dinner. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So if nobody has any question, we go on. Any other person with a question? Good job. Good job means imerenkoma, and I had him say dalo. Wonderful. Okay, imerenkoma. Jisike means to keep trying, keep doing a good job. Okay. Jisike.
Humble Kaylin.
Ahambonye.
So how do we
what is your name again? Ahambo.
Kaylin.
Kaylin. Okay, Kaylin, go ahead. Kaylin.
So when you write a sentence using those words, so you have to capitalize the beginning of
Yeah, exactly. Just the way it is in English. It is the sentence. You have to capitalize it. And when it comes to subject, you know, you have to. The noun. So the way you write English, the same way. It's just that sometimes Igbo words, you don't just translate it the way it is in English. So, but we're gonna get there. But you have to capitalize the beginning of the sentence. Okay? Somebody's name, name of a town, city, just the way you write English.
And then if you write the dots in Ututu, is it okay if you like cover it, or do you need to see the dots at the bottom?
I need to see the dot because what the dot helps you do, it's gonna help you on the tone, you know, how you pronounce it. If you remove the dots, because we have like you, take for instance, you, we have two U's in Igbo alphabet, one with the dot, one without the dot. And then the one without the dot to say, ooh, just like regular ooh. But in English, it says you. But in Igbo, it says, ooh, that's the one without the, but the one with the dot says, oh, you see why you have to put it? Because if you don't put the dot, you might get confused. You wouldn't even know if, is this one the U with the dot or the one without the dot? So the dot helps you with the pronunciation, how the tone goes. That's why you have to put them.
But what if you're writing 2 sentences and the dots get covered? What do we do? Like,
When you say dots get covered, what do you mean?
like if you're writing like a H under the U or something, and you can barely see the dot.
There's no way you can write it. If you okay, let's say you write, you put something. Let me see here. Let's say you want to write H underneath the U. I don't think it's gonna cover it. If you're writing it with, if you're just writing it, if it's handwritten, it's maybe sometimes, but if you're typing it, it's not going to cover it.
Yeah, I'm handwriting it, that's why.
Yeah, if you're handwriting it, then make sure you space it, okay, so that I will see. You can handwrite, just write it and then take a picture of it and send. That's fine. But make sure you give a space. That way it won't cover it, okay? Because I need to let you know if you are punctuating it well or not.
Okay.
Good job. Kedu onye kwuru unu? Gwa m aha gị. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Kellen, gwa m aha gị. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
What? I don't know.
Kellen, tell me how to say my name is. Come on, you can say it. Aha m bụ Kellen. Can you say that?
Humble Kellen.
There you go. That's good. Okay, o nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Doesn't that mean ask you a question?
Anybody with a question? Yeah. Ajụjụ means a question. Don't forget.
Would you like rather me say my first name or my Igbo middle name?
In fact, I would love Igbo name, if you can.
Oh, okay. So
yeah. What's your Igbo name?
Azoma.
Azoma. What's the meaning of your name? Have you asked?
No, I forgot. It was something like surrounded by love or something like that.
Again?
I think it was surrounded by love, I think.
Azoma. Have you asked your parents? Now, the question is, have you asked your parents what's the meaning of your name? What did they tell you?
My grandpa said it was surrounded by love, but my name was also shortened when my grandma came to America.
Okay, sorted as what?
I don't know what it was. Now it's Azoma.
Okay, now listen. Azoma, it means something that is something surrounded by love. Yes, that's what they might have in mind, maybe when they gave you the name. Sometimes some people say, they give name Ijoma, Ozoma, Azoma. It's like something, something good followed you. Something good followed you. Okay, so literally that is the meaning of it. Something good followed you. Some people will go and say, Ihuoma, Azoma. It means that good luck is something good luck, something good followed you. Sometimes, let's go to culture here. In Igbo culture, when a woman marries, and then when you marry, the family and yourself and everybody, even your own family, everybody, they wish you well to go there to have children and for God to bless you with the fruit of womb. Sometimes people marry, they stay years without having any child. And then when you marry, probably maybe in your mind you were praying for a girl or a boy, and then you marry and you never had any problem. You have a child, and then that happiness. So you guys you will decide to say, okay, Azoma, Ihuoma, it means that something good followed you. God blessed you. And then everything love. So because people give all these names, it means something to them. And every Igbo child with your Igbo name, it means something. And then when you today, if you never ask about the meaning of your name, ask your parents, please, what does my name mean? They will tell you. And if they don't know it, ask me. Write it down as one of the questions you're going to ask me. Okay, I will tell you. But Azoma, that your name means something good, good luck. Something good followed you. Okay, so it means good luck. But then your parents, they are right. It means love, surrounded by love as well, because it depends on what they have in mind when they gave you the name. Okay, so you'll find out with the meaning of your name. All of us with Igbo name, it has meaning, and we don't just give name just like that. Okay, all right. So another question.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How do you say thank you? How do you say thank you? Come on, Kellen. Azoma. Kedu etu esi asị thank you? Azoma, thank you means dalo.
Oh yeah, dalo.
There you go. So I want you to be using it in this class. Thank you, dalo. Okay. All right. Okay. So any other question? Onwenye nwere ajụjụ? Anybody with a question?
I have a question.
Norma. Whoever is talking, introduce yourself. I see Norma raising hand.
Ahamba Angel.
Angel. Ngwa.
Those dots under the words, are they for certain letters only?
Yeah, of course. Like, did you go over the alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. How do you say yes? If you did, okay, I want you to go over the alphabet again. You see the ones with the dots, which is when it comes to I, we have two eyes. We have two eyes, one with just a single dot on top. And then there's another one with dot on top and dot underneath. And then we have O, the one with a dot and one without a dot. We have U, one with a dot and one without a dot. These are the ones that has dots. So when you go over them, you see it. And then we have two N's, one without any hyphen, but the other N has a dash on top of the N. So these are, and then we put all these dots to help you with the pronunciation, because the two I's, one with the dot on top is A, is very light, A, and then the other I with double dots, which is dot on top, and then underneath is A, is very deep, A, and then when you come to O, the one without a dot is O, the one with a dot is O, and then U, the one without a dot is U, the one with a dot is O, and then the N, the one without any dash on top is Ni, and then the one with a dash on top of the N is Ngo, Ngo. When you're trying to say Ngo miri means drink water, okay, drink water. Okay, good job, Angel.
And Dalo.
And yes, email out. Onwere onye ọzọ means another person. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ.
Afambu Ezine.
Ezinne ngwa.
How do you say and in Igbo?
And. Is that what you asked?
Yes.
And means na. The preposition na. Like if you want to say Ezinne na Angel. Ezinne and Angel. Now, let's say Ezinne and Angel. You can say it this way. Ezinne na Angel. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you say na. Good job, Ezinne. Email out. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Okay, since you don't have a question, I'm going to be calling you one by one. You're going to tell me how to say your name. Norma, you raise your hand. You have a question before I can.
Yes.
How do you say yes? Okay. Nneoma say enwere m ajụjụ. No, Nneoma, achọrọ m ka ị kwuo. Achọrọ m ka ị kwuo means I want you to say. Achọrọ m ka ị kwuo enwere m ajụjụ. Nneoma, listen to me. This is what I want you to say in Igbo. Enwere m ajụjụ. Can you say that?
Wait.
Enwere m.
Enwere
m. Ajụjụ. Good. Ngwajo, ask your question. Good job. You mere nke ọma.
Igbo computer in
Okay.
English.
Computer is called Igwe okwu. Igwe. Some people call it, I will write it. Some people call it onyonyo. And then onyonyo also means video camera or camera, okay? Onyonyo, okay? So, but what you call it in Igbo is computer is computer. Igwe or Igwe okwu. Then they call phone. Phone is also phone. Can call it Igwe okwu. You can also call it onyonyo. Onyonyo. So you call it, it can also be onyonyo. So onyonyo can also be onyonyo means like video camera, all those things. So you call it video camera or something. So let me write onyonyo so that I won't confuse you. Okay. Video. All right. All right. Any other person? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Okay. If you don't have a question, I'm gonna ask you a question. Adugo, tell me how to say my name is. Tell me how to say my name is Adugo. I need Adugo to tell me my name is
Abumadugo.
Ahambo.
Ahambo.
Adugo.
Ahambo. I want you to say your name very well. Don't rush it.
Adalgo.
Ahambo Adaugo. Can you say that?
Ahambo Adalgo.
Okay. Somebody else. Somebody was talking. Somebody was talking. Can that person speak up? Somebody wanted to say something?
Yeah, I said the word.
Okay, you said the word. Okay. Who else? Any other? Somebody is raising hand. Norma, are you the one? Norma, I see you raising hand. Or you didn't mean to do that? Can you all hear me?
I raised my hand before, but is it me?
Oh, it wasn't me. Okay, do you want to ask question?
No.
Okay. So, onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ, achọrọ m ka unu jụọ m ajụjụ. We have questions today. Ask me a question. No other person with any question.
Mhm.
Oh, come on, guys. Ask me a question, please.
Afambu Ezina.
Ezinne,
How do
somebody
how
else
do you
was raising
spell
hand.
water
Water. Okay,
in
water.
Igbo?
Water is miri. Miri. Water is miri. Water is miri. Ezinne kutere miri. Ezinne, get me water. Ezinne, kutere miri. Kutere miri. Get me water. Drink water. Ngom miri. Drink water. Means ngo. Now you see what I told you about N. This N is supposed to have dash on top of it. Ngo miri. Let me find it. Ngo miri. Ngo. Oh, come on. Ezinne ngo miri. I believe parents, they use these words at home. Ngo miri. Ezinne ngo miri. Okay. All right, so we have a minute left for this class. If you have a question, this is time for you to ask the question, please. All right? If you have a question, this is time for you to ask me a question. I want you to do that. Okay, two people are raising their hands. Ask me a question.
Afambu Chelotam.
Shelotam.
How do you do past tense in Igbo?
How do you do what?
Past tense.
Past tense. Okay.
Yes.
For instance, if we want to say, I went to church. Agaram. Okay. I went to church. It means agaram. Agaram. Oka. See that? Agaram. Oka. I went to school. Agaram. Ejerem.